Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to talk about 4 ways to disable widgets on Windows 11. So, if you're not a fan of widgets or wish to prevent them from draining the battery on your computer unnecessarily, you can choose to completely disable them. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. First off, let's learn how to disable widgets on Windows 11 from the taskbar context menu. To do so, you just have to right-click on the widgets icon from the taskbar, and then you have to choose Hide from Taskbar option. This is the easiest way to remove widgets on Windows 11. And now it's time to learn how to disable widgets from the taskbar settings. To do so, you just have to right-click anywhere on the taskbar and choose Taskbar Settings. And under the Taskbar Item section, you just have to turn off the toggle right next to widgets. Besides, you can also hide widgets on Windows 11 using the Settings app. To do so, you just have to launch the Settings app on your computer. And then you have to select the Personalization option in the left sidebar. And then you have to select the Taskbar option. And finally, you have to disable the toggle right next to widgets. And finally, it's time to learn how to remove widgets on Windows 11 using Registry Editor. To do so, you have to launch Registry Editor by typing Regedit in the Windows search bar. You can also open Run using the keyboard shortcut Windows plus R and then type Regedit. And when the Registry Editor opens up, you have to navigate to the path given below and look for Taskbar DA. And then you have to click on Taskbar DA and change the value data field to 0. And finally you have to hit OK and restart your computer, and that's about it. So these are the 4 ways to disable widgets on Windows 11 or later. Now that you have found these neat methods, make the most of them to keep widgets at a fair distance. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy Windows tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye bye.